Starting with the greatest name of Almighty Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I welcome you all in course of graphic designing. As you see on whiteboard, graphic designing, it means in this course we will learn designing of different graphics. Code of this course is CIT 344. In this course we will learn Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, AutoCAD and Welcome Embroidery. In this course you will learn how to use these tools and apply these tools after completion in different industries. During this course we will provide you the environment to do practice of different tools you learn using these software. After using these tools, you can make different drawing, different graphics and different drawings. Adobe Photoshop is a tool which is used to manage and to retouch different images based on rasters graphics. Raster graphics are those graphics, those are created by using camera, those have pixels. On the other hand, we have two type of graphics in designing field. Number one, raster type graphics, and number two, vector type graphics. We will learn two tools, Adobe Photoshop, that is raster based graphic tools, and CorelDRAW, that is a vector based graphic tools. AutoCAD is another graphics tool that is used for making different drawings, and Welcome is used to do different graphics, to design different graphics on cloths, and it mostly used in embroidery and designing on cloth industry. So objective of this course is, I am expecting at the end of this course the student will be able to understand the basic concept to design a website and embroidery industry design. What type of knowledge will help you get to the next phase in your career. Moving beyond hand standing to create your own business or start your own business, building your own brand, how to design in a broader sense than font and a paper, seeking employment as a graphic designer to increase skills with computers and visual arts, more experience and more knowledge, to gain more knowledge. So we learn which tool we will learn during this course, and also we just see that a word graphic designing. Which kind of designing we will create during these courses? Graphic design, also called a communication design, is the art and practice of planning and projecting ideas and experience with visual and textual contents. The form it takes can be physical or visual and can be include images, words or graphics. The experience can take place in an instant or over a long period of time. The work can happen at any scale, from design of a single signage or postage signage or stamps or to a national signage system. One famous artist designer whose name was Pablo Picasso, who died in 1973. He said, every child is an artist, every child is an artist or a graphic designer, and I'm sure in your class there are many artist designers sitting behind or over there, and what we have to do is to explore them and bring them on the front of your class, who perform and make different designings by doing practices. In your course, mostly you will learn and do practical work, because all these software are based on practical, and you will do practice. I will give you different exercises, and after doing those exercises and assignments, you will be able to create and your own graphic designing using different tools. So it was an introductory class, and in this course we will have some theoretical portion that will cover first, and then we'll steadily go and start these tools, Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, AutoCAD, and will come when we complete Adobe Photoshop. Then we'll go forward and start CorelDRAW, and then AutoCAD, and will come. Now I'm hopeful this course will be very helpful for you to get career or employment in any of the given industries, because these all four different tools are used in four different industries. So thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.